Threads is a social media app developed by Meta Platforms, the parent company of Instagram. It was first released in November 2020 as a standalone app for iOS and Android devices. In July 2022, Threads was integrated into the main Instagram app. Threads is designed to be a more personal and intimate way for users to connect with their close friends and followers. Posts on Threads are limited to 500 characters, and users can only share posts with their close friends. Threads also includes a number of features that are not available on the main Instagram app, such as active status. Users can see when their friends are active on Threads, and they can also send them a direct message to start a conversation. Stories. Users can share disappearing photos and videos with their friends on Threads. Requests. Users can receive requests from people they don't follow to join their Threads. Chat. Users can have private conversations with their friends on Threads. Sticker packs. Users can use sticker packs to add more personality to their posts on Threads. Threads has been praised for its focus on personal connections and its user-friendly interface. However, it has also been criticized for its limited features and its lack of engagement. Here are some of the key features of Threads. Close friends. Threads is designed for sharing with your closest friends. You can choose up to 30 people to be your close friends, and your posts will only be visible to them. Active status. Threads shows you when your close friends are active on the app. This makes it easy to see who is available to chat or see your latest posts. Stories. You can share disappearing photos and videos with your close friends on Threads. Stories are only visible for 24 hours, so you can share more candid and personal moments without worrying about them being saved. Requests. If you don't follow someone on Instagram, they can still request to join your Threads. You can choose whether or not to accept their request. Chat. You can have private conversations with your close friends on Threads. This is a great way to stay in touch with people you don't see often. Sticker packs. You can use sticker packs to add more personality to your posts on Threads. There are a variety of sticker packs available, so you can find one that fits your style. Threads is a great way to connect with your close friends in a more personal and intimate way. If you're looking for an app that allows you to share your thoughts and feelings with a select group of people, then Threads is a great option. Here are some of the pros and cons of Threads. Pros. Personalized. Threads is designed for sharing with your closest friends, so you can be sure that your posts are only seen by the people you care about. Intuitive. Threads is easy to use and navigate. It's also very visually appealing, with a clean and modern design. Threads uses end-to-end encryption to protect your messages and photos. This means that only you and the people you're sharing with can see them. Free. Threads is free to download and use. Cons. Limited features. Threads doesn't have all of the features that you might find on other social media apps, such as the ability to post longer videos or photos. Lack of engagement. Threads doesn't have as many users as other social media apps, so it can be difficult to find people to connect with. Inconsistent updates. Threads has been criticized for its inconsistent updates. Some users have reported that they haven't received new features or bug fixes for months. Overall, Threads is a solid social media app that offers a more personal and intimate way to connect with your close friends. However, it's important to keep in mind that it doesn't have all of the features of other social media apps, and it may not be as popular as some of its competitors.